students. I am Nisha Sindhi and I am taking 5th standard English subject. Today's topic is lesson number 5, Hans Christian Andersen. Hans Christian Andersen. Let's read the lesson line by line. Hans Christian Andersen's father was a poor shoemaker. A boy, his name was Hans Christian Andersen's father was a poor shoemaker. Hans Christian Andersen's father was a poor. He was a shoemaker. Shoemaker means who makes the shoe. Who makes the shoe as a profession. Even though they were poor. His father was a shoemaker. He was making the shoe, but also they were poor. Their financial condition was not good. They had a good collection of books. His father has a good collection of books. Every evening, Hans' father read aloud to him stories. Read aloud to him stories from famous books. Every evening, Hans' father read aloud stories. Every evening, what the Hans' father do? He read the stories aloud. He read and tell the stories to Hans. Every evening, he read from the famous books. When Hans was 11 years old, his father died. When at the age of 11 years old, Hans' father died. When Hans became 11 years old, then his father died. Hans had to leave school because there was no money for his school fees. Hans had to leave the school because he has no money to pay in the school. He has no money to pay the fees in the school because they were very poor. His father was a poor shoemaker. When he was 11 years old, his father died. So he has no money to pay the fees because their financial condition is not good. So he has to leave the school. His mother wanted him to become a tailor and earn some money. Now his father died at the age of 11 years. When he was 11 years old, his father died. Now he had to leave the school because he has no fees to pay. So his mother wanted him to become a tailor and earn some money. But Hans wanted to be a writer. But Hans do not want to become a tailor. He wanted to be a writer. He want to write the stories or he want to become a writer. He told himself, one day I will become a writer. He told to himself, he motivated himself. He told himself, one day I will definitely become a writer. Hans had no brothers and sisters and no friends. He was a lonely child. Hans had no brothers and sisters and also he has a no friends. He was a lonely child. Hans was alone. He has no younger brother or younger sisters. He has no brothers and sisters. He was a lonely child also to his parents, but also he has no friends. He was a lonely child. He was thin and tall and clumsy. Hans was a thin and tall and clumsy. Clumsy means moving carelessly and breaking things or knocking against them. He was a thin, tall, and clumsy. Clumsy means moving carelessly and breaking things or knocking against them. And the boys in the town teased him. All the boys in the town where he lived, all the boys in the town were teasing him. Teased means said something to someone and annoyed him in order to have fun. Annoyed him to order to have a fun. No one played with him. No one friends or no one boys played with him. But Hans got the chance to hear the stories from many people. No one played with him. He had no friends. All the boys in the town teased him. But he got the chance to hear the stories from many people. First, he was hearing the story from his father, but his father were died. Now he got the chance to hear stories from other people. He had he had a gentle and loving grandmother. Hans has a loving grandmother. She told him many stories. Now her grandmother used to tell him stories. She told many stories to Hans. He also made friends with some women at a hospital for old and sick women. Now he also made many friends with some women. He made friends with women at a hospital for old and sick women. There was a hospital for the old aged persons. There was a hospital for the old aged people and sick women. There he made many friends, many women friends at the hospital. This woman also told him many stories. This woman at the hospitals also used to tell the stories, many stories to the Hans. So students, remain lesson Hans, Christian, Andersen. We will continue in our next class. So now it's time to take the homework. Write the keywords from the lesson. Page number 36. Write in your English homework notebook and send on WhatsApp. Thank you.